Today I have another beard trimmer for you. It is the Brightup multi-grooming kit. It says 18 in 1 on it. Lithium-ion battery, USB charging, not much else on the box. Let's go ahead and do the close-ups and show you what you get. Of course, you get the manual that comes with it, USB charging cable, a little bottle of blade oil, precision trimmer, a trimmer head that they call the design trimmer, a foil shaver head, a body hair trimmer with a slip-on guard, a nose and ear hair trimmer, a whole bunch of millimeter gauged trimming heads, a cleaning brush and a comb, a rack where you can stack everything, and finally the trimmer itself. Right now my beard could use a trim, so I've put on a millimeter guard and I am going to be trimming my beard for you guys. Quite a difference. Very nice. I'm looking at myself in the monitor. I always think I look so good right after I trim my beard. It's nice. I got everything basically on the first pass. It was very easy to use, very, very fast. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. It did a very, very good job. You know, I have to say, I am very happy with this beard trimmer. I am glad that I bought it, paid for it with my own money. Happy to have used it in this video today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Comments are something that I love. I love comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to have a wonderful day while you are out there having a wonderful life.